is Bajaj performing across products and markets? Bajaj Allianz General Insurance maintains a well-balanced product portfolio. Health is our largest line of business, about 40%, followed by motor, about 30%, and then property and other lines. We prioritize innovation and recently launched H-Risen, a product designed for women of all age groups. We have a nationwide presence with over 1,000 physical and digital locations. Our distribution network is significant, including partnerships with over 130 banks. We are expanding into Tier 2 and 3 locations to ensure coverage in every district of India and contribute to insurance accessibility for all by 2047. Who are Bajaj's key partners? We have established partnerships with a range of financial institutions, including public sector banks, private banks, cooperative banks, RRBs, and NBFCs. In the public sector, we have significant partnerships with Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, Jammu and Kashmir Bank, Union Bank of India, Central Bank of India, India Post Payments Bank, and Bank of Maharashtra. In the private sector, we are working with HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, HSBC, Karur Vyasya Bank, and Federal Bank. Among NBFCs and HFCs, we have partnered with Bajaj Finance, Can Fin Homes, PNB Housing Finance, Aadhar Housing Finance, Aavas Financiers, and Shriram Finance. Some of the major new tie-ups in recent years include Bank of Maharashtra, Aavas Financiers, HSBC, Indostar Capital Finance, and Nido Home Finance. Which are the leading customer acquisition channels for Bajaj? We maintain a well-balanced product portfolio and a robust distribution channel network. Our leading customer acquisition channel remains retail and advisor-driven, focused on individual customers. Bancassurance is another significant contributor. The corporate business group channel focuses on corporate customers or B2B relationships. We also have a direct-to-customer channel, which is essentially a digital channel that deals with digital B2B partnerships. Bajaj also participates in multiple government-sponsored schemes and initiatives, including the Crop Insurance Scheme and the Ayushman Bharat Scheme. Bajaj is an omni-channel organization, present at all customer touchpoints and locations to ensure we provide seamless services to our citizens. Which government schemes is Bajaj supporting? Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Gujarat State. We cover about 9 million families in Gujarat under this health insurance scheme. This is one of the biggest government-sponsored schemes in the country, and we have been the insurer of the scheme for 2 years now. The scheme provides cashless treatments in hospitals for inpatient care and daycare treatments at government-empaneled hospitals. The scheme operates 100% on an online platform developed by the Government of India, with payments processed through banking integration. Cashless treatment to road accident victims, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, NHAI. This scheme provides immediate medical aid to road accident victims on NH48, Mumbai to Chennai, and NH16, Chennai to Kolkata, at empaneled hospitals. We are also actively participating in government-supported initiatives, specifically the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, PMFBY, and Bangala Sasya Bima, BSB, across various states. Since the allocation of clusters to insurance companies is determined through a tender process, the coverage and claims performance can vary each year based on the cluster allotment. What's new in employee learning? Instructor-led training programs are offered through both classroom and virtual platforms. While classroom training is generally recognized as the most effective method, virtual training is more cost-effective. Currently, We deliver 53% of our programs in a classroom setting and 47% virtually. These programs are designed for new product launches, process changes, and skill development. In today's fast-paced environment, learners prefer to study at their own pace and on their schedule, so self-paced learning has gained popularity. Self-paced learning journeys are structured as learning paths, including orientation and new employee induction, as well as targeted learning for specific groups of employees or channels focused on particular products for the month or quarter. We plan to combine digital and physical training formats in the coming year, encompassing video-based and bite-sized content resembling capsule training.